So if you look at that, like who's about to leave the club? Like who can leave the club right now? If you look at maybe Origi, like apart from Origi, I mean I don't see anybody else leaving the club.
I
Maybe
think
Shaqiri as
the
well,
rumors are about Origi, Shaqiri, and
Grujic and Wilson.
unfortunately Genie, which I really don't think Genie would, because we all love him so much. I think he has
Yes.
really important contributor to the club and the
Yeah.
team.
Yeah.
So I really think
Yeah.
that I think the contract delay is just between the agents and the club, and not between Genie and the club. So
Yeah.
that's just how it is. I think Origi for sure. Shakiri, I think we can have a debate all day with what's happening there.
Yes.
See, you
Yes.
have a two-time
Ah,
Champions League winner. You have a first national team player, and I just don't get, because every time he comes in the pitch, I don't know. Maybe his off-the-ball game is not proper. Maybe he's a bit egoistic. I don't know about that, or maybe Klopp is
So
jealous of his size. I don't know what the problem is. But every
so
time the guy steps in, he creates chances.
yeah.
He just kicks the ball and he makes sure it meets the head of the right player, and the ball
Yeah.
goes in. And I'm talking about the Barcelona game and Gini Wijnaldum's header. And the same was reflected in a guy,
Then
Rich. If you can't see, I push myself so much anymore. So Sturridge had the same impact like what
yeah.
Shaqiri has at the moment. Sturridge came on at 89th minute, and even when he came on 88th or 89th minute, he made sure that he'll either assist, score a goal, or hit the
Yeah.
post. He always did that. He always did that. You know,
Yes.
always had that one shot on target.
I remember that Everton. I think it was Everton when Sturridge hit the post, like when he scuffed the shot, and I was like, how can you
Mane,
miss this? And
yeah.
then Mane just tapped it in. Oh, that was a really good game. Like I remember. So I
Yeah.
mean, I totally agree with you. Like with respect to Shaqiri, it's a really tough call. Like you don't know what to actually do with him, because like from just the eye test, you can actually see that. He does not actually do the same amount of defensive work as compared to say Salah or like Mane. But then again, like the quality which he gives you on the attacking third of the pitch is so good that you just have to tweak the system a bit in order to like just make sure that he's in the team.
Yeah, exactly. He's
Exactly.
second to none especially when it comes off the bench. But it's not just off the bench quality. He's also good when he starts against Barcelona, against Everton. I think the
Everton, yeah,
Shaqiri and Origi combo, it clicks, it works. Shaqiri and Mane combo, it works. Right. So there is something about that front three. There's a couple of different front three I'm talking about right now.
yeah.
Mane, Origi, and Shaqiri. So, do
So
you
so
think
so
that
so the
Klopp
two,
should keep Shaqiri and maybe, think over like this? I see. I completely get that. The last game Origi played against Chelsea, he was not a fan favorite, as I can just put it in a very decent way, because off the ball game is very lethargic and very slow. He doesn't close down his opponent. Maybe not that much. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe he's a bit emotional that he may be leaving the club, and maybe there's something that's acting
Ex-
there. But I still feel that there is something in him, at least off the bench, that he can come and provide us.
Then the Newcastle game, actually, the last game of the season, actually, summed up Origi's Liverpool career. The
yeah,
whole game.
yeah,
He wasn't particularly impressive in the game, and suddenly you see him cutting in, scoring that wonderful goal. That's
yeah,
Liverpool Origi for you.
yeah.
Exactly.
But
So
but
it's a
but
clear
again,
case.
like as you mentioned, like the two games, Shaqiri and Origi were really good. That is the Barca and the Everton game. So if you take a look at both the games, then you will just see that in both the games, both the sides, the central midfield and the whole midfield structure of both the teams, uh, it was very slow. So
Oh,
to
yeah.
take a punt over starting Shaqiri and Origi still makes sense, because their midfield is a bit slower than the usual high tempo midfield of most of the top clubs. So you can actually play both of them and think that okay, fine, even if he starts tracking back a second or 2 second late, we won't be that problematic, because say the opponent player won't have reached the attacking third by the time he has started running back. So I think that is also a reason. But I honestly feel that Shaqiri should stay. Like in my opinion, I think he should definitely stay.
Yeah, I would also actually keep him definitely till January, because I mean, if we are not actually going to recruit anyone, why sell? So, and Origi, I think, I mean, he was even not in the Nike photo shoot, right? Fire, like Van
Yeah.
Dijk said. So,
I didn't realize that till
so
you just said it right now. My God.
Yeah. Same.
yeah, so that actually cast some doubt. And I mean, there was a photo of him actually going on to the, I mean, after our celebrations, of course, going to the stadium and standing there alone. So
Staring
that
at
actually sparks doubts about his future.